new chapter of Class 1. The chapter name is Addition. Question number 1. Arrange the rabbits from the greatest to the smallest. So that we have to, from the big number to small number, we have to arrange them. First, let us add them. 8 plus 9. 8 in the mind and 9 in the hand. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here we write 17. 20 plus 2. We all know that 20 plus 2 is 22. 12 plus 7. 12 in the mind and 7 in the hand. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here we write 19. Thirteen plus 5. 13 in the mind and 5 in the hand. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So here we write 18. So we have to do it from big to small. So first we will write Q. And second we will write 19. It is R. And third we will write S. And fourth we will write P. So Q, R, S, P. So option D is the correct answer. They give us abacus, so we should count them. So in first abacus, in tens place there are 1, 2, 3, 4. And in ones place 1, 2, 2. And in the second abacus, in tens place 2 and in ones place 1. So we got 63. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. If I add a number to 10, I will get 10. What number am I adding? So 10 plus 0 will get 10. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following option will complete the given number bond? Question mark plus question mark is equal to 23. Option A. 21s plus 3 tenths is equal to 50. So it is wrong answer. Option B. 2 tenths plus 3 tenths is equal to 50. So it is also wrong. Option C. 2 tenths plus 3 ones. It is equal to 23. So it is the correct answer. Next question. Number of flowers in both the box is dash. Box A has 8 flowers and box B has 6 flowers. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So option C is the correct answer. Question. 35 flowers plus 54 flowers is equal to dash flowers. 35 plus 54 is equal to 89. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following option has the smallest value? 50 plus 6. 50 plus 6 is equal to 56. 50 plus 9. 50 plus 9 is equal to 59. 60 plus 12. 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. 53. No, 3. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. A boy jumps 3 steps from 0 and then 2 steps. Where will he reach? So the boy reached 3, then 2 more steps. Then it will be 5. So option A is the correct answer. 31 plus 4 is shown by which abacus? 31 plus 4 is equal to 35. So they are asking that in which abacus 35 is shown. In option A, tens place 2 and ones place 4. But it is wrong. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in ones place 3. But it is not the correct answer. Tens place 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And ones place 4. So it is also not correct. In option D, tens place 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in ones place 5. So option D. Which abacus shows the total number of balloons given here? So we can count the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another balloon is also having 5. And 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, and 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So in ones place there should be 1, and in tens place there should be 5. So option B is the correct answer.